Hey everyone, Hannah here from DDP Property. If you've been tossing up between whether to buy a renovation project or stick with a turnkey investment, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to break down both strategies. We're going to reveal where investors are successfully flipping properties and show you how to estimate reno costs without blowing your budget. Let's get straight into it. Let's start with the basics. Renovation strategy. This is all about manufacturing equity. You buy below market value, renovate smart, and either refinance or sell for a profit. The pros, you create instant uplift, improve rentability, and can potentially fast-track portfolio growth. But it is time insensitive. It's risky and requires hand-on involvement or a trusted team of tradies. The buy and hold strategy. This is a long-term wealth strategy. You buy a well-located, tenant-ready property and let capital growth and rental income work their magic over time. It's ideal for investors who want less hassle, steady cash flow, and portfolio consistency. So which is smarter? The answer actually depends on you. Do you have the time, the knowledge, and the risk appetite to manage a reno? Or are you looking for low maintenance, reliable performance? Most of my clients start with buy and hold and then move on to renovation once they've built confidence and equity. Now let's talk location. Not every suburb is made for flipping. You want areas with affordable purchase prices, high buyer demand post-renovation, signs of gentrification, things like cafes, transport, upgrades, or rising median prices. Some of the suburbs we're watching closely right now include Elizabeth and Salisbury in South Australia with affordable entry points and strong growth. Logan in Queensland, always buzzing for value adds with great rental yields. Mandurah and Rockingham in WA, great lifestyle zones with renovator stock. Out in Melbourne pockets like Melton or Wyndham Vale for rapid value uplift. We're not flipping in ultra premium areas. You want working class, blue collar suburbs where there's room to buy low, renovate affordably, and sell or lease into strong demand. Always check the suburb sales volume, rental yield, and whether there are any zoning changes or infrastructure plans coming up. Here's where a lot of investors trip up, underestimating renovation costs. Start by creating a clear renovation scope. Know exactly what needs updating. Here's a basic budget guide for cosmetic renos. Paint, approximately $5,000. Flooring, $6,000. Kitchen, $10,000 to $15,000. Bathroom, $8,000 to $12,000, fixtures and lighting, $2,000 to $4,000, and then factor in labor shortages. Tradies are in high demand. Material costs, fluctuations, tiles, timber, even paint can spike. Unexpected surprises, termites, asbestos, wiring issues. What is the golden rule? Add a 20% buffer on top of your budget minimum. You should always get at least 2 quotes, never pay in full upfront, and work with builders who are licensed, insured, and ideally come with referrals. And remember, do not overcapitalize. If the suburb ceiling price is $500,000, you don't want to be spending $100,000 on a renovation for a $450,000 purchase. You might never see that money back. So should you renovate or should you buy and hold? If you want to speed up your equity gains, you're handy, or you've got strong project management skills, then renovating can be very powerful. But if you value time, simplicity, scalability, buy and hold gives you a more passive income to long-term wealth also. At DDP, we help you weigh up the numbers, identify the best fit strategy, and source the right property to you. If you're ready to take the next step with a smart, tailored plan, then get in touch with us today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, drop any renovation or investment questions in the comments below. We're here to help. See you next time.